Konnichiwa, welcome to Mrslinskitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yasai Itame. Yasai means vegetables and Itame means stir fry in Japanese. It is a common home dish, but you can also find it in the teishoku or set meal type of a restaurant. It is super easy to make and you can easily make it in less than 30 minutes. So let me show you how to make it now. Here is the ingredients overview. The measurements I provided is good for 2 people when you serve with rice. Since majority of the ingredients are veggies, this dish is quite healthy. I use a combination of string beans, bell pepper, and snap peas, but you can just use 1 cup of either one of them. Make sure you thoroughly rinse and dry all the veggies before using. You can easily make it vegan or vegetarian by substituting meat with tofu and omitting the oyster sauce. Just make sure you add more soy sauce to your taste. Other vegetables that can be used are Napa cabbage, Chinese chives, mushrooms, broccoli, and baby corns. For the meat, you can choose between chicken, beef, or pork. Let's prepare the ingredients now. Thinly slice a yellow onion. Peel the carrot skin before cutting it diagonally into thin slices. I use about half of a carrot. Next, thinly slice a green bell pepper. If you use snap peas, remove the stem, then pull the string with it and cut them in half. Also do the same for the green beans and cut them into 2-inch long. Peel the ginger skin and cut 8 to 9 thin slices. Thinly slice the garlic clove. Chop the cabbage leaves into bite-sized pieces. I have about 4 to 5 leaves here. Lastly, cut the pork belly slices to about 2 inches long. The key for a good stir-fry dish is to work fast when you're stir-frying. Therefore, all the ingredients need to be prepped and ready to go into the pan. Let's stir-fry now. Turn the heat on medium-high or high depending on your stove. Heat up 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add the ginger and garlic. Stir-fry until fragrant. Next, add sliced yellow onion and continue to stir-fry for another minute. Ideally, any stir-fry dish will taste better when cooked in the wok, but not everybody owns one, so I'm stir-frying in the regular pan today to demonstrate. Your Yasai Itame will still taste delicious. Add the pork belly and cook until it's no longer pink. Pork belly is a fattier cut. Therefore, I didn't add a lot of oil in the beginning. The fat released from the pork belly will be enough to stir-fry everything. Next, add the carrot. You want to add the veggies that take longer to cook in first. Stir continuously. Then add the green beans. Add snap peas and bell pepper to the mix and stir for a few seconds. Lastly, add the cabbage. And bean sprouts. For the seasoning, add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and salt. Keep stirring. You can adjust the salt according to your liking. The entire stir-frying process takes me between 6 to 8 minutes. You want the vegetables cooked, but still crunchy, not soft and wilted. Turn off the heat and transfer Yasai Itame into a serving plate. Stir frying is not hard. It might take you a couple of tries to produce that optimum texture like in the restaurant. Stir-fried vegetables are best served immediately with hot steamy rice. Enjoy! So here is the Yasai Itame. If you're looking for something quick and easy that you can whip it up during the weekday, this is a good choice. I hope you try it out. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Good flavor.